How's it going, guys? I just wanted to come to you real fast, let you know that these videos in the next while are going to be out of focus. And I'm going to format them differently so it's not as impactful. But they are my first reactions to these songs. I apologize. Basically, I let my roommate use my camera when he got it back. Didn't check the settings as properly as I should have. And here we are. So, hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I mean, it's obviously an issue. but yeah, I just want a disclaimer on each of these videos. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. How's it going, guys? It's Nate. I'm back with another reaction. Today I am reacting to Kanye West, Hurricane. Now, I believe I've already reacted to Hurricane by Kanye West, but this was released 8 days ago, as of recording this. And I'm sure it's probably a video to go with the song. Yeah, let's go. I'm excited. Kanye West has had definitely a transformation over the last couple of years, and it's been so interesting to watch his art and his artistic approach, and is incredible, but how he's going about it and transforming is so interesting. So I'm excited to watch this, see what we got. Let's go ahead and jump right in here. Such an interesting picture.
See this in 3D. All lights out for me. All lights out for me. Lightning strikes the beach. 80 degrees. Whoa.
This is so weird already. Obviously, a lot of this is a 3D world. Like even the dragon under, and then this lightning striking, and these characters, all 3D.
80 degrees. Warm it up for me. Finally free. Found the God of me, and I want you to see I can walk on water. 1,000 miles from shore, I can float on the water. Father, hold me close, don't let me drown. I know you won't.
Yeah, walking on the bridge, I threw my sins over the deep end.
This is so interesting. This is almost like claymation, the look of it. But also the symbolism he's going for is like, wait, what's going on? Going out in the water, that looked like Jesus, and that he was getting baptized. The only time we see Jesus getting baptized was with John the Baptist, who baptized him, and that was like the beginning, the inception of Jesus's ministry, which is so interesting. That basically him, I'm trying to get the picture together, who these figures are, whether they're kind of a type of Kanye or his art, or I have no idea. But the fact that one of these characters is baptizing Jesus is really interesting.
Sipping till my stomach hurt this month, I done lost 3 friends. Early morning brainstorming, normally I can't sleep in. Sometimes I just wanna restart it, but it all depends. If I'ma be that same young hungry from West End. But my heart is frozen, the crazy part ain't have no pen. Maybach interior came with sheepskin. Still remember when I just had 3 bands. Now I'm the one everyone call on, cause I got deep pants. Flo told me the way to beat the game is on the defense. And never phased by names that they might call me, but they gon' respect it. And I feel like you better off trying to call, I might not get the message. And she just tried to run off with my heart, but I blocked off the X. Yeah.
I know you won't. I know you won't. I know you won't. myself. I was up for sale, but I couldn't tell. God made it rain, the devil made it hell. Dropped out of school, but I'm the one at Yale. Made the best tracks, it still went off the rail. Had go down, down, down. Just a new town, town, town. Just a new 10, 10, 10. I'm going in. Here I go on a new trip. Here I go acting too lit. Here I go acting too rich. Here I go with a new chick. And I know what the truth is. Still playing out the 2 kids. It's a lot to digest. When your life always moving, architecture digest. But I needed home improvement. $60 million home. Never went home to it. Genius gone clueless. It's a whole lot to risk. Alcohol Anonymous. Who's the busiest loser? Heated by the rumors. Read into it too much. Fiending for some true love. Ask him, what do you love? Hard to find what the truth is, but the truth was that the truth sucked. Always seem to do stuff, but this time it was too much. Everybody's so judgmental. Everybody's so judgmental. Everybody hurts, but I don't judge rentals. It was all so simple.
I see you in 3D. The dawn is bright for me. No more dark for me. I know you're watching me. 80 degrees, burning up the leaves. Finally I'm free. Finally I'm free. As I go out to sea, I can walk on water. Won't you shine your light? Demons stuck on my shoulder. Father, hold me close. Don't let me drown. I know you won't.
Oh man. Man, this symbolism is kind of multi-layered and complicated, I feel like. A beam of light and these characters are just like, even at the end they're just like fully drawn to it, surrounding it, going up to heaven. Like, and that symbolism is kind of like, to me, finding the truth or finding the light and being mesmerized, but more than mesmerized, like your full focus on it. People coming out of the dark to the light. It's so interesting. Oh man. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have any suggestions, drop them down in the comments. I would love to see what you guys are listening to. Check them out. Make sure to also go check out my Patreon. That's where you can help support this channel or to that next level. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you in the next video.